Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans, and we are back to do a plan with me for December in my monthly view in my lovely Erin Condren Neutral Hourly Life Planner. So I'm actually going to be using this really fun kit that I got from the Gootzie Project during the Go Wild collab sale, and if anyone knows a little bit about me, I am all for some buffalo plaid, especially during the wintertime and the holiday season. It's kind of my jam, and so when I saw this, I was like, well, December's pretty far away. The sale was back in August. However, I've been waiting to anxiously use this kit for literally months now, and today it's finally here. So we have this, and I've got some other little accessories here that I'm going to use to go ahead and like mark off what's happening on my calendar throughout the month of December. There's a lot of things. Dance season is back and in full force, so we're just going to go ahead and get started, and I am going to go start with placing down some of the big headers here. If you've ever seen one of my monthly view videos before, this is not my zone of genius when it comes to stickers, so I'm going to do the best that I can. Let's see, I don't know why flipping it upside down seems to make sense for me right now, but... And this is my first time ever using stickers from the Gootzie Project, so I'm trying to, you know, get a feel. Okay. Oh, that actually worked surprisingly well. I don't think that these are very removable, so I'm kind of glad that I got that one down. Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? Cool, go me. Maybe I am getting better at this. As I curse myself, watch. Yeah, I just love the look of this kit. I think it's super fun and festive without being overly Christmassy. Not that I'm like not into the holiday season or anything, but I just sometimes like something a little bit different than just Christmas trees and all that good stuff. So that's all said and done, and I love it. And then the fun thing is, it's got, so we're gonna use this piece down here for the reindeer. It's like the moose, not reindeer, moose. It's buffalo plaid. For some reason, I don't know why, but I'm getting like Abercrombie and Fitch vibes from when I was in middle school and high school back in like the mid-2000s, and that was like all of the rage was Abercrombie, and if you didn't have a moose on your shirt, you weren't cool. I strived for that, not always successfully, but that place was so expensive too. I'm actually not even sure if it's like popular anymore. That's how out of touch I am. But so yeah, I love that they give you these things to like cover up the days that aren't in the month of December. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this thing. Are these strips? Well, they are. That's fun. I have no idea what those could be for. I have no idea. Anyway, so this is gorgeous, isn't it? Like, I think this is so cute. The next thing what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab my tweezers and we're gonna go ahead and do the date stickers. I'm going to speed the footage up because these take me a little longer than I would like. All right, they're all done and they look beautiful. So fun. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead along the side here and put down these checklists for me. I love having these on here. They're just a fun reminder of things I should be getting done and making sure it's all finished. Let's do another one of these. I love how this is looking already. It's like so festive. I don't know, it makes me feel like my life is more together when I'm able to use a kit like this. Is that silly? Perfect. Ooh, it's so cute. And so for me, I'm gonna do, I'll do like a Christmas one here. Then I'll do a separate gifts one. And I'll do a final like to-do one. which will be perfect because I can go ahead and like flesh out everything that I need to do for Christmas. So this would be like holiday cards. Excellent. So I think that's like a really great start. It says for Christmas I put holiday cards, coworkers, brunch, question mark. I might host my own holiday brunch this year. And then cookie baking. For gifts, mom, dad, Burr, pop, granny, and nana. My brother and I and my sister and I are not going to be exchanging, which I think makes sense. But so now I've got my to-do list and I've got all the days set up. It looks so cute already. I'm like a huge fan. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start marking out some of the big things that happen. So because we're already like into December, one of the things I want to do is I flew home after Thanksgiving on the 2nd, so I'm going to do one of these. And it was kind of a hassle of a flight, I'm not going to lie. And so we'll use the red on this guy. Ooh. We had a bit of delays. If you want to see the Vlogmas video from that travel day, I'll leave it linked up over there. It was pretty hilarious in the long run. I'm glad we made it in and everything, but it was just, it was a lot. So I'm going to take one of these little planes and stick them. Let's do one of these little guys up here. And these stickers are from Adriana Piper. I got them a long time ago. But yeah, so we'll do JFK to MSP, get that one crossed off. And the next thing I want to do is start filling in all of my dance meets for the month of December. There's a bunch of them, and I'm kind of just going to write them in the bottom corner what my role is, and just remember, and I'll write in sort of how it went later on. So I kick count timed on the 3rd. I'm filming it on today, the 5th, so I have to judge this evening. And then Saturday, I also have to judge. And then I believe on Saturday, I'm also gonna go do something with some friends of mine at, they're called like the Wabasha Caves or something, I don't know. I'm just gonna put Cave Adventure. And so then after the little cave excursion, I will say, I'm having a friend over for dinner and we are making something a little bit elaborate. It's like a French recipe, beef bourguignon. It's like beef stew with red wine. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm probably gonna spell this wrong, but I do the best I can. Especially, and it's sad because I took French in high school, so I'm like disappointed that my French is as awful as it is. These are from Planar Kate. They're the S751. These are so old, but I still enjoy them. And so what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna take one of these stickers from Blue Scooter Press, another favorite shop of mine. I'm just gonna stick that down over here. It says time to cook. So moving back to the rest of the week, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my meats. And so it looks like I have a judging meet on the 11th, which is fun. And then we have on Friday night, we have a meet as well. And then I also have one on Saturday morning. And the fun part here is that a bunch of my friends that are also judges are going to be on like a little bit of a road trip. So we're heading out up north and staying overnight, and then we have like another road trip on the way back. So I'm gonna put judging trip. And for those of you that are wondering, like, what do I judge? I actually judge high school dance team here in the state of Minnesota. So that is just something fun that I like to do that passes the time in the winter, and it's a fun hobby, and you meet some amazing people. So overall, like, I think it's always a thing. And then I'm gonna use these little Once More with Love stickers. This is a road trip thing. I'm gonna do one of these fun little on the roads. Oh, no, it doesn't really. Maybe not. I'm just gonna do judging road trip. There we go, and see if I can get this back down in here to stick for later. Perfect. So that's gonna be a really fun weekend. I'm looking forward to that. And then, so that's the 14th. I have a couple more judging meets. I have one on the 17th and the 20th, all of which are judging, which is fun. And then I also have one this day, which is gonna be great as well. And then over on the 15th, I believe this day, I'm gonna have the Minnesota Trio over, which is Jody from Life's Organized Chaos and Emily from Favorite Daughter Emily. I'm gonna have them over and we're gonna do some wine drinking and then some cookie baking and decorating, which is gonna be super duper fun. I can't wait. I haven't seen them in forever, so I think this will be a real adventure. And the nice part is like my apartment is like somewhere in between. And so what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna put another little sticky here that says time to wine and dine, because heck yeah we are. So that's sort of the judging excitement for the month of December. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit for a second here, because what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do my paydays. So I get paid every other week from my main job. So I'm gonna lay those, it's every other Friday. So it's this Friday and then the Friday after Christmas. But I also have a side hustle and we get paid every week. However, I like to pay myself every 2 weeks on the alternating weeks that we don't get paid from my main job. So I literally have a little paycheck every single week and I love that. And then here comes the fun part. So the holiday season is a big deal for me, and so I'm gonna go ahead and be heading out to New York again this year for Christmas, which is super important to me. So I'm gonna say, this will be for my trip home, JFK to Minnesota. That's on the 28th. And then I also have my MSP to JFK. And the beautiful part is because I have some time off of work and because I am able to sort of like work remotely, I don't have to take a ton of time, which is so nice. So I'm going to do one of these across the bottom. So I'll be gone from the 23rd all the way to the 30th, which is perfect. I'll be back in time for a Minnesota New Year's, which I haven't done in quite a bit of time because normally I come home for like 2 weeks, but that's usually because I don't make it home for Thanksgiving. So there we go. And then the last one we will do over here. And I'm gonna use my little, I happen to have my little dashboard here because I don't need that last day because I'm coming home on the, oh, do these not cut nice? They don't. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab my X-Acto knife. Hopefully that cut nicely. Perfect. And we'll save that bit for who knows what. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down my little flight stickers here. I love how that looks. Very cute. And then we'll go ahead and put that down. And back come the Adriana Piper stickers. And I'm gonna go ahead and do one of these little guys because they're flying, this one will be flying west, which makes sense, right? Back to Minnesota. Oh, come on. There we go. It's a pretty steep ascent, I guess, but you know what? It fit on there, so. And then I'll do a different one over here. We'll go back with one of these guys. Stick that down this way. Great. Yeah, so that'll be a fun couple of days in New York. The other fun thing is on this night, I have a cousin that grew up, he's from Ireland, but he lives in Australia, and he's visiting. And so we're actually going to an Islander game, which I'm a huge Islander fan, and they're actually playing the Blue Jackets. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. I'm hoping that I can get some of my other cousins on my dad's side to go because they're also big hockey fans. And we can all kind of catch up, have a drink or two before we go in for the game. And then I have these stickers. They're from Paper and Clips. I also am pretty sure they're not in business anymore. I checked the other day to get more of these Islander stickers and it looks like they're gone. So New York Islanders versus the Columbus Blue Jackets. And then we're gonna be having Christmas at my parents' house this year, which will be super fun. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use the trees here. This is like a hard one to cover. I don't know what you use these for. But I'll just write Christmas at my parents, and we'll use these. And the other thing I'm gonna do here is take one of these little stickers from Planner Kate again, and just write pack on it, because I will tell you an obnoxious story. So when I went home for Thanksgiving, I landed in New York. I was all excited to see my family, and I realized very quickly that I had taken out some underwear to put in my suitcase, and I forgot it. So I had to go to Target and buy a set of underwear. And now, for someone who's a planner like myself, I was kind of embarrassed. I'm like, you should know better than this, kid. Like, this is not how you roll. You are usually generally better than this, but that should be fine. And then the other thing I'm gonna do is put this day, and we'll put unpack as well for New Year's Eve. But yeah, overall, it's gonna be a really, really wonderful time of year. I can't wait to get out and see everybody and really celebrate. But in terms of fun, exciting things to do for the month, oh, there's one other thing I forgot to put down, is that I have a meeting on the 28th. So I wanna make sure I don't forget that. And the fun part is that while I've done some planning for the month, right? I also am able to go back in as the month progresses and really just make sure. I'm gonna add a little arrow sticker that this trip keeps going. This is also from Adriana Piper from a long time ago. But what I was saying is that the beauty of being able to travel is that I'm able to sort of come back in here and fill in as I go on, you know, as other things happen. So let's say last minute I go do something with some friends of mine. I'll be able to go ahead and put that in after the fact. And I'm gonna put a blessed sticker here just because they're letting me call in from New York, so something to remember. So that's gonna wrap it up for this week. I hope you guys like this monthly view for December. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The kit from Gootzie Project really just kind of set the whole stage for a lovely, lovely December spread. I'm looking forward to all of the fun things happening this month. Lots of dance, some travel, hanging out with friends, all sorts of other good things. And I will take you along with me because I'm participating in Vlogmas. I will leave a link to the Vlogmas playlist over here. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button so you can see all of my lovely content in your newsfeed as soon as it's published. Don't forget to like this video if you did. It really does help the channel and I greatly appreciate it. I will leave a link to the Gootzie Project down below if you want to see some of her fun stickers. If you're curious about the Erin Condren planner itself, I will go ahead and leave that link down there as well. And you can help support the channel by go ahead and shopping through there. Hope you have a great December and a great holiday season, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. All right, bye planner friends.